Alright, we spent our day at Geared Workspace. It's in Southside Chicago. It's a perfect place for somebody who doesn't have a garage and lives in the city and needs a good place to work on when the weather's real cold. As you all know, I don't have a garage just yet, so we use this place. Not overly expensive, very nice crew, easy to find, easy to work with, and got all the tools you need. So I highly suggest you try them out. Alright, so here's the shock skids from our friends at Wild Horses. Mitch Creel and his crew. So anyway, I'll use their videos as a reference. But like I said, the only thing I could advise is make sure you have a pry bar ready to wedge back here, because when I did unbolt this bolt, the shock shifted back. So you'll need to pry it back forward to line this back up. Have you a dead blow hammer too, so you can kind of edge in there as necessary. Maybe some screwdrivers to help with the washer on the back side. So, you know, and you use 2 wrenches. Use a regular wrench inside this nut in here. You can't really see it. And also use a socket wrench out here. Tighten that up, that first hole. Just like their straw video. It works really good. Now on the driver's side, once we got this in, I could not get the washer in between these plates. So I put it in without the washer. Mitch, if you think that's a bad idea, let me know. Whenever the Fox coilovers get in from Attitude Performance, I have them put it on. I'll probably see if I can get them to squeeze it back in there. So anyway, got a little insurance for the time being, and these things look good, dude. They fit right in. There's no logos or anything messy, drain holes. So not have to worry about the corrosion. I'm going to spray these things down with fluid film, and in that way they'll help protect it as well. So anyway, hope you guys like and subscribe. A lot more stuff to come in the near future.